So, do any of you wives have a husband that makes up their own route? He's not following the navigation system. But we're going to get there one way or the other. So here we are on another excursion on this beautiful Saturday morning. Who knows what we're going to run into? And as you can see, he's busy driving. Today we're headed to Mansfield, Ohio. Have you ever seen the movie Shawshank Redemption? So we're not going to be able to go through the museum. We have been, but we'll let you see what it looks like, the outside. So this is not on my diet, but this has been my most favorite thing at this restaurant.
And here we are once again in front of the Ohio State Reformatory. This is where the movie, you may remember Tim Robbins playing Andy in the movie Shawshank Redemption. And the movie was about a guy who found himself in a situation where guilt was placed on him. He was put in prison, and then he had to act in some evil ways for the warden of this supposed prison. Mm-hmm. And he worked a plan. If you've not seen the movie, I don't want to give it away, but he worked out a strategy in order to get redemption for the wrongs that were done to him. So we're standing here today in front of this and this is an incredible place. The tours, as you can see by the chart here, do not begin again for a little while. Right. But if you're in this part of Ohio, Mansfield, Ohio, it'd be a great place to come and to take the tours. But also, we want to take just a moment now and tell you we haven't put out any videos for a few weeks, but we're getting ready to do that again, and we hope you'll come along with us as to where we go and what we're able to accomplish out on the road.
run into as you're traveling. And this is a very old place. Oh, wow. This looks like all the names of the Army.
This is the Ohio Memorial Forest Shrine. It's managed by the Ohio Department of Natural Resource Division of Forestry. It's a state official monument to honor the nearly 20,000 sons and daughters who made the ultimate sacrifice for their country.
As we were on our way home, we were just driving down the roads and we happened to see a sign, and this is what we found. I hope you enjoy this as much as we have, and we really salute our military and the sacrifice they have made for us to be free, because we all want to be free.